آج میری ملاقات کوٹلی آزاد کشمیر سے تعلق رکھنے والی اشفا بطول سے ہونے جا رہی ہے، جس نے سال 2021 میں لوٹن ڈیمبی ہائی سکول سے میرٹ پر اول پوزیشن حاصل کر کے سکالرشپ لی تھی۔ سکالرشپ کی مالیت 50,000 پاؤنڈ ہے۔ اس سلسلے میں آج مئیر آف لوٹن برطانیہ نے سرٹیفیکیٹ آف ایپرسی سے بھی نوازا ہے۔ اپنی اس عظیم کامیابی پر اشفا کا کیا کہنا ہے، آئیے جانتے ہیں۔ Ishfah, could you tell me about yourself?
My name's Ishfah. I'm currently a student at Berkhamsted Sixth Form in Year 12, studying economics, maths, business and psychology. I'm studying A-levels. I've gotten my GCSEs last year. Despite the pandemic and despite many disadvantages faced, I was able to thrive and successfully able to, educate myself and gain really good results, which created a stepping stone for me when entering sixth form.
To whom do you give credit for your great success?
I couldn't have got to where I got into today without the help of my parents and without the supporting individuals that I have around me, my teachers and everyone that, pushed me to do my best and to achieve at my full potential.
What steps did you have to go through to get this scholarship?
It was quite a long process of journeys. What I had to do was do a formal written application about why I think that they, as the sixth form, should give me a scholarship. So I did a written application, which I was successful upon. And following up on that, I had to do a presentation to my teachers, which was only for 5 minutes. So we were quite tight on time. What I had to show was why me and why this opportunity would be suitable towards me and why I would, benefit the most from it from other students. And then following up on that, I was also successful in that we had to follow up on with a entrance exam. This exam was a verbal reasoning test, which you couldn't really study for. It was with shapes and it's like a CAT test, but more difficult. So upon the entrance exam, which I was also successful on, I had to do 2 sets of interviews with 2 sets of teachers, including the vice principal, Mr. Backhouse from Berkhamsted Sixth Form, and also the head teacher of the Sixth Form.
What would you like to be in the future?
I aim to become a commercial lawyer, and the reason why is I feel like law is the mechanism to all our grievances. We can use law to understand every day-to-day life processes, and it's not just about, law is just not about crime. It's also about gaining commercial awareness, knowing people around you, helping and supporting people, and also working with large firms has always been a big inspiration to me. Working within Central, working with firms such as Allen & Overy, Clifford Chance. I've also taken part in the Clifford Chance Access program, where it's a 2 years program where they aim to achieve to qualify you as a solicitor and help you reach your full potential when going on to uni or doing an apprenticeships. I've always been interested in apprenticeships. I feel like they're our future and they're the way forward, because you can learn while you're getting your education, you also get paid, and you're also working for a really big multi-international firm in London, which is placed at number 4 in the whole world. Following up on this, I aim to achieve, I'm predicted currently A stars for my A-levels, which I hope to achieve by the end of it, and I like to inspire many women around me, especially women, young Muslim women and women within the Muslim community to achieve their potential, to go for things that are out of their comfort zone, for stepping out of your comfort zone and reaching a target which is achievable. And I learned that nothing in life is impossible if you really want to achieve it, and if you aim to do your work and put the work in and aim to do your best, then nothing can stop you from achieving what's best for you.
How long is this scholarship program and how much will it cost?
The scholarship is a 2-year program which was funded, £50,000 fully funded for, and it's a academic scholarship, so it's based on your academic performances. So I was able to achieve the requirement to enter the college, and this scholarship prepares you for university. And what it does is, when individuals get to A level, it's quite a big jump from GCSEs, and A levels really prepare you, and especially with Berkhamsted, they teach you how to be an independent young individual, and they prepare you to be a fully rounded individual when stepping into the foreseeable future.
What do you say on receiving a certificate of appreciation from Mayor of Luton?
I would like to thank the Mayor of Luton for, dedicating his time and for being very patient with us, and also for inviting us down to, award such a honourable award to us. I feel really privileged, and I feel really proud of myself that I was able to, achieve this, because not everyone gets the opportunity to. And I hope that more and more young individuals can continue to be recognised for their hard work like I am. And I hope that many other young students can follow upon me and hope to follow my footsteps to, make their parents proud, make the community proud. And also I want to give back to the community that has given to me. And the award is about my scholarship and about my GCSE performance, which I have done really well and excelled in.
What message would you like to give on your success?
Nothing in life comes for free, and nothing in life comes easy. To get something, it takes a lot of hard work, and it takes a lot of, I had to spend a lot of, sleepless nights, worrying about my applications, because it was a long process where people applied. There was about 400 people applied, and only 5 people were, fortunate enough to get the opportunity to go to a private school. Because going to a public school and then going to a private school, I have seen the differences, and it's amazing. It's really crazy to see how huge of a difference it is, and how the quality of education is better, how you're able to, push yourself. And I feel like if you're not self-motivated yourself, then it's going to be a lot harder to achieve things. And I want to emphasize on how important it is to be different and to be you, because you don't want to be like everyone else, because what people look for is people with differences, people who stand out, and people who, focus on aspects such as diversity and inclusion within workplace, within colleges, within schools. And I hope that young individuals can, start working towards their goals and really putting in the work in, and to see the amazing outcomes that can be brought out of it.
Thank you very much for your time, and wishing you good luck for your future.
Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor to be here, and it's an honor to, answer all these questions.